Hello aspirants, welcome back to Root Support Academy. In today's session, let's discuss some previous year questions on the topic coding and decoding. Okay. So previous years, this topic mele yenen questions kelidare simple agi yaudide. We'll start solving that. First one we have, in a certain code language, STOLE is coded as 39468 and RICH rich is coded as 5271. Using the same code language, how will THIS this be coded? Okay. So, this question kelirodu RRB ALP 2018 question paper. Okay. This is not that much complicated as much as, we learned yav alphabet ge yav code aata. Okay. It's very simple. What is TOLE coded as? STOLE. Okay. Is coded as, okay, you write off that 39468. Next, RICH rich. RICH rich is coded as 5271. Okay, this is a different type of problem in which now they have asked THIS this. Okay, so in two words already yen kelirtare, are two words alli already e letters irutte. So from there only we have to just see and exactly write off the same number. So where is T? T is here. So it has to start from 9, T, then H, 1, THI and S. What will be the answer? 9123. Where is that option? Here. Option D, 9123. So next question we have. In a certain code, TABLE table is coded as ELEAT and SWING swing is coded as GNLWS. How will frame be coded in the same language? E question SSC CGL 2023 al bandiruvanta question. Okay. So first let us understand yen madidare. Okay. TABLE. TABLE. Table is written as ELEAT. Okay. It's like they have not used the position of the numbers, they have not substituted any other alphabet. Iro alphabets ne they have interchanged the positions. Aste. Okay. So illi forward way alli nodidre TABLE. Illi if you see in this backward manner, you can see TALE. So the one in the middle has been interchanged with some other letter. Aste agirodu. So TABLE badlu TALE ide. B is interchanged. So how is B interchanged? Plus, okay, B has the number what we have learned. B has the number 2. E has the number 5. So plus 3 add madidare. Next we'll see the same one for swing. SWING. Swing is written as GNLWS. Okay, the same thing. In forward manner. Next when we go back, SWING. Okay. I badlu, again they have gone plus 3. I the number we know it was 9 plus 3, 12 kotidare. Aste. So using the same method, now we have to find how will frame be coded in the same language anta. So let me write off FRAME, frame. Okay. Backwards way. Okay. This is the forward. So backwards al bardaga, first what shall I write? EM. Options al EM. Okay. Okay. These two options al yadadru one barute. EM. Next, we have to see the next one. Okay, this. A plus 3. A has the number 1 plus 3 andaga yen barite D. Okay, instead of doing the next one, you can directly go with the option D. EMDRF will be the option for frame. So next question we have. In a certain code, ASK ask is written as 62 and BYE buy is written as 64. How will cry be written in the same language? Okay. Again, position of alphabets use ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is also one important previous year question. CGL 2023 al kelirodu. Okay. Let us see what they have written. ASK ask is written as 62. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು 62? Let us find out. What is the position of these ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. A 1. S do we know it is 19. Then K. What is the position of K? We remembered it using KL. Okay. K has 11. So if we add this 19, then 20, then 30, 31 birthday. But it is coded as 62. 31 and 62, what is the relation? Into 2 maddaga, you get the answer 62. Yes or no? Okay, 31 into 2, 62. In the same way, let us do for by. B-Y-E, by is written as 64. B, we know it is 2. Y, we know it is 25. E, we know it is 5. Okay, so 25, 30, 32. 32 and same method will apply. Into 2 mardaga, what do we get? We get 64. Okay, so this is the trick that they have used. Okay, alphabet to positions takondu, they have just multiplied it by 2. Now in the same way, we have to find for cry. C, R, Y, cry. C, we know it is 3. R, we know it is 18. Y, we know it is 25. 18 plus 3 is 21 and then plus 25. So what do we get here? We get 46. Okay. But 46 option illa. Obviously, we have to do it multiply by 2. Same method use marbeku. So when you multiply this, what do you get? You get 92. And where is 92? Option D. So your correct answer is option D, 92. Okay. Next question we have. In a certain code, BEAM, beam, is coded as 2349 and MEAN, mean, is coded as 4327. What is the code for N? Okay. So they've given something, it is not related to alphabet position ivaga. This question is asked in CHSL 2024 paper. Okay. So let us just write that and see. BEAM, beam, is coded as 2, 3, 4 and 9. Okay. Next, MEAN, mean. MEAN, mean, is coded as 4, 3, 2, 7. Okay. So what can you see? You can see illi alphabets, these letters almost same ide. Only there is one difference. Illi B is different and illi N is different. Now they are asking the code for N. Okay. Where is N here? N is here. So idrilli which letter I is different and yav number different ide, that we have to just find out. 2 is here. So 2 will not be the answer. 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay. So this is the code for B and this is the code for N. Okay. Now what they asked, what is the code for N? So the code for N is option B, 7. Okay. So these type of problems are also very easy, wherein they just give you different words and they ask for certain code. A code alle irutte, just you have to see yav code solpa different ide anta ashte. Okay, so aspirants, next I have one question for you. In a certain code, POWER, power, is coded as OPWRE and grade is coded as RGETA. Following the same pattern, what is the code for WAVES, waves? This is a simple question. Try solving this by yourself and drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you.